Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Nintendo 3DS error code 005-4270. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to update a game or access Nintendo services. Some users have reported this error while using a Pretendo account instead of a Nintendo account. According to our research, this error occurs if you are connected to Pretendo instead of Nintendo servers, or if your DNS settings are incorrect, or if there are issues with your Wi-Fi connection. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your 3DS along with your network. Once both are restarted, try connecting again and check for the error. If the error still comes, then check which account you are using. If you are connected to Pretendo, switch back to your Nintendo account as the eShop and updates only work through Nintendo servers. Once you switch, check if this resolves the error. If the error continues, then adjust your DNS settings. To do this, go to Settings on your 3DS, select Internet Settings, then Connection Settings. Then choose the connection you are using and select Change Settings. Then under DNS, set Auto Obtain to Yes. If it is already Yes, then set it to No and go to Detailed Setup. Then enter 8.8.8.8 as the primary DNS and 8.8.4.4 as the secondary DNS. Then save the changes and run a connection test. Then try to open the eShop to check if the error still comes. If you still get the error, make sure that your 3DS is within range of your router. Being too far from the router may cause connection issues. So if you are far from the router, then move closer and check if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, try connecting your 3DS to a different Wi-Fi network or a mobile hotspot. Once connected, see if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.